Hey, I'll come and have a look on this gorgeous self-built tiny house. It's built from recycled materials. It's completely off-grid. You have solar panels right here and on the roof. Here we have a tiny terrace. French doors or windows and doors are recycled. When you enter, you have a tiny wood stove that has a copper here running around that heats up the water, and you're getting it out right here. Wardrobe, self-built sofa that you can actually make a bed, countertop with proper stove and oven, self-built tap from copper, sink, recycled door that leads you to the bathroom with mirror, composting toilet, and look at this, they even have a bath and self-built shower as well from copper, just with drilled many holes inside. Small fridge, lots of storage here and there. And two lofts. One brings you to the office. Here you can actually sit and your legs are here right down. The loft is made so that you can stand in it. And the bedroom as well, you can stand the full height. It has a storage everywhere for clothes. It's very nice that it has even here window that you can see morning sun in the morning, and it's kind of separates here the bedroom from the rest of the house.